Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is on the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the contents? What is the voice saying? What is the algorithm? What's the rhythm? What is the beat? What are the lyrics and contents of the song of your heart? Walk to the beat of your own drum. You're original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. You're here for a purpose alone. Those are here to help you, but you have a mission. Don't forget that. I silenced the fear in me and discovered the voice of my heart. The fruit of these words guides me. I trust the song of my soul, and my intuition leads me to a path of light and fruition and also blessings. And it also will make you happy by being yourself, because you shall be very productive. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.